Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change gesture in Redmi. So if by changing gesture you mean customizing your system gestures, you will first need to launch the device's settings. Now enter the additional settings category, go into the gesture shortcuts, and here switch on the gesture you would like to use, and well, switch off the ones that you don't. As simple as that. Now, if by changing gesture you mean changing the home screen navigation, or the system navigation method from or to gestures, for that you will need to enter the home screen category of settings, scroll it to the bottom, open system navigation selection, and enable whatever navigation type or method you like or you fancy. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.